The SureFire G2X Tactical is an intense, single-output flashlight with a max output of 200 lumens. It features a smooth, lightweight body molded from high-impact nitrilon polymer that's exceptionally durable. Press for a momentary on 200-lumen beam that will disorient the night-adapted vision of an aggressor, giving you a crucial edge in the field. This simplicity is vital in high-stress situations. Just twist the tail cap for a constant on 200-lumen beam. The G2X has a high-efficiency LED and a micro-textured reflector that create a flawless wide beam, perfect for maintaining situational awareness. It runs on two 123A lithium batteries and features SureFire's patented lockout tail cap to keep it from activating when stored or transported. The SureFire G2X Tactical is a powerful illumination tool, ideal for law enforcement, personal defense, or any use where a high-output flashlight is needed.
Hey everyone, this is just a friendly reminder that our TT20 tactical flashlights are on sale through the end of May. What makes these flashlights stand out are their incredible 2,526 lumen output, the tactical tail switch, and long battery life. It has a 21700 5000 milliamp hour battery that can power the TT20 on its low 31 lumen output for 90 hours. The three variants that we have on sale are the Outsider Red, Blue, and Desert Tan TT20s, and they're marked down by 30% through the end of the month, making these USB-C rechargeable flashlights just $53. They also qualify for free shipping, so an added bonus.